Today I'm going to show you how to use OregonCIS to get accurate information about jobs in Oregon. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to navigate to OregonCIS. The address, as you can see it here, is oregoncis.uoregon.edu. The username is going to be ddouglas and the password is ddhs. Click on sign in. Now OregonCIS has a lot of good utilities. I suggest that you take some time and just kind of look at different things. Look at the career plan, explore the resources and the dashboard. It has actually a lot of good information on colleges and everything you need to know to get a career. However, for our assignments, we're mainly going to be using the search button. For example, our first assignment is going to be finding information about a painter. I'm going to click here on the search and I'm going to type in painter and press enter. It's going to come up with this right here. Scroll down, and here we're mainly going to be using the occupations link right here. So now I clicked on that. I'm going to scroll down again, and it has occupations matching painter. So here we have construction helpers, fine artists, painters, vehicle painters. For this, because it's a construction class, we're actually going to go for painters because this is a general painter for construction. The first page it opens up is at a glance. It gives you general information about the occupation, but here on the left you have a lot more information. I want you to take some time and look through these. They have things like specific work activities. They have things like physical demands. They have things like advancement. So it's very important that you look through these things over here because these will answer a lot of the questions that you have. When you're finished using OregonCIS, just close your window. Good luck.